Good morning everyone. So you see today's market, it's gap up. I want this option 47,600 put option trading near 820. No, that we can enter. Okay. Now I will explain why we have taken this option. Right. So already our strategy is sell on rise market. Okay, and that's why we decided this. Now already gap up has come. It is going trading near resistance zone. If you see here, right. So that is why we have entered here. And further we can add. We can take 100 points as target by like 920. Right, so slowly it might move, most probably it will move towards it, and we have marked lines here 96,000 as support, sorry, not 96,000, 76,000 as a support. Sensex is trading at 76,000 nearby 200 here. That is the resistance here. You see yesterday's price action also. That is the reason I feel that from here Sensex would drop down. Okay, so now our option is trading 826 or so, 830. See, I am recording these videos only to show that my strategy is working and how we can make profits. Most of the time morning moments. Okay, early morning the market moment will come. That time we can easily make profits. We plan properly. You see, Sensex index is coming down and option premium increasing 836. Alright, our target is 920. So, and support level here, what I see, options data we are watching, and you see, we will see India VIX also. Let me take that color, red color. Okay, see India VIX. Yeah, it is stable and is increasing, and that's why we can aim for direct 100 point target. Okay, so we are nearing to budget sessions. Usually because of the FIS selling, market has been in downtrend. That is the reason we are unable to see budget rally. Okay, so another 3 days. This Saturday also exchange is working. A special session has been arranged, already declared that Saturday also will be a working day for NSE and BSE exchanges. Right. So there is no fast movement. We need to wait. I think video is going lengthy. I'll try to stop it here and show you when the moment is coming. Again I'll continue recording the video. See, same place it is trading near our entry point. Now there is movement here. Now the time is 9:24. You see, we almost entered immediately after the market open, like 9:18, 9:19, I think. 860 it is trading now. our target is 920. You see the momentum. $870 now, 873. $865, $873. Yes, quick movement is going to come. 882, 86, 893. We are nearing to the target. 895. Another 30 points to the target. $900. You see 905. We'll mark the target line here in the chart. Let us see this. $910, $913. Okay, it will break the target, not an issue. See 920 now, 922, 930. So broken our level. I think 940 also will come. Anyways, target is done. This is the end of our trade for today. We don't trade anymore. Okay, so this is a decent pick, picking up our entries and taking exits and making profit and get out of the market. We don't sit waiting for it. Right, see how it's moving. So Sensex is now near 76,000. So in this way targets have come. So that here there might be some slight support. Okay, anyways, what happens next is not in our concern, or we need not bother. Okay, you took your profit and let's get out. See, it is 950. Right. Okay, so with this we end here. Almost within 7 to 8 minutes we hit our targets. Thank you.